Hey friends, who's hungry? Bring a savory kick to your kitchen with this fresh and flavorful homemade lemon pepper seasoning. For this recipe, you will need 1/4 cup of dried lemon peel. You can use a store-bought brand, but you can also make your own. Keep watching. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Zest 12 large lemons. Be sure to only zest the yellow peel and stop when you reach the bitter white pith underneath. Spread the lemon zest in an even layer on a foil or parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake the lemon zest for 30 to 45 minutes, checking frequently until the lemon zest is dried and crispy. Allow the zest to cool, then transfer it to a spice grinder. Pulse the dried lemon peel for a few seconds until it reaches an even consistency. Dump the ground lemon peel into a small mixing bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of coarse ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of fine sea salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley. Stir everything together until the ingredients are evenly mixed. Then store the lemon pepper seasoning in an airtight container in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.